Want to edit images in seconds? Today, I'm showing you the Qwen Image Edit Rapid AIO workflow for ComfyUI. 4 steps, ultra-fast results. Let's dive in. Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. Replace your node's Qwen.py file with this one, which will improve your native text encode Qwen Edit Plus node. After moving the file, we will run ComfyUI. After ComfyUI is running, we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will go to ComfyUI Manager and check if there are any missing extensions to install. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded model. I will upload the input image. We can edit the output size. I will use the exact size as the input image. I will use the built-in prompt in the workflow. We will run the workflow. The result is very correct prompt. The image is very beautiful, even though only using GGUF version Q4. I will try another prompt. As you can see the result above, the image is very true to the prompt that I entered. I will try another input image. If this workflow saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more rapid ComfyUI tutorials. Don't forget to grab the workflow link below. Catch you in the next one.